Shape of the battleground map from NBC News political director Chuck Todd, who has some new poll numbers out for the key swing states of Ohio, Wisconsin, and West Virginia today.
Well, the first thing we did is we got 3 new polls in 3 different types of states: a state leaning McCain's direction, a state leaning Obama's direction, and the pure toss-up. Let's look at the pure toss-up. That's Ohio. It was a pure toss-up before we went in with our poll. It looks like a pure toss-up now. McCain 46, Obama 45. That's margin of error stuff. Obviously, Ohio staying very close. This is good news for McCain that Obama hasn't pulled away like he has in some of the other toss-up states. But let's look at one of the lean Obama states that McCain is still competing in, Wisconsin. Look at this one, 12-point lead for Obama, double digits. This doesn't look like a lean Obama state. It looks like a solid Obama state, just like the rest of the agricultural Midwest. This is trouble for McCain. You do wonder how long is he going to stay competing in the state. And then finally, a new state that's popped up in our battleground, West Virginia. Take a look at this, Lester. McCain 47. Obama 41. Obama has a better chance of winning West Virginia than McCain does Wisconsin, just a little over 2 weeks out. That tells you everything you need to know about the battleground. And speaking of the battleground, we do have a new NBC map. It is not major changes, but let me point out a few things that folks should be aware of. As you see, we still have Obama just short of that magic 270 number here. It's sitting at 264, McCain at 163. Here are movements this week. We already had West Virginia and lean McCain, Georgia and lean McCain, Montana and the 2 Dakotas in lean McCain. What does this mean? It means McCain has only narrow single-digit leads, and we almost moved Arizona, not quite there yet, but that's where you see this thing moving. The biggest problem now for McCain, his path to 270, it's still there. It's very narrow. He's trailing in Colorado, trailing in Virginia, trailing in Florida, trailing in Nevada. Any of those states could put Obama over the top, but more importantly, even if McCain wins the 270 electoral votes, he may not win the popular vote. He may have already conceded that, and that's really what this map tells us this week, Lester.
All right, Chuck Todd in Washington.